Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mangesh Malokar from Nashik district of Maharashtra. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in 2023 and searching for a job. In that period, one of my friend suggested me about Evision Technoserve and I joined 45 days of online OGT program in April, which completed in July. And after that, I got calls from recruiters. Recently, I got placed in RASPL with a package of 2.52 lakh per annum. In that program, I learned about CCNA, Windows administrations, basic N plus, and virtualization. Also, the ITIL, which helps me to get this job role of remote desktop support. It's really a good experience with all teachers, Prasanjit sir, Apurvo sir, Rahul sir, also the team, Anamika ma'am, Priya ma'am, also Ganesh sir. Thank you for all practical and theoretical knowledge. Thank you.